at some more trading ideas in our segment Super 6.
My first call for the day is a buy call in HDFC Bank. The stock since last 1 month has been consolidating in a sideways range, and in yesterday's trading session we saw a positive momentum coming out of that range. We are expecting a continuation of the up move, and hence one should buy this stock around yesterday's closing with stop loss below 1160 for target of 1232 in short term.
First call for today is going to be buy on Hindustan Unilever. We can see that the stock has managed to break the strong resistance level of around 910 where it was failing to move higher. Long positions can be created in HUL, keeping a stop loss of 890 for the target level of 965.
I have a buy call on Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland is not only oversold, has reflected near-term strength by giving a high volume upward key reversal on the daily chart. The mechanical indicators on the intraday chart have turned positive, have signaled a buy, indicating the stock's intention to appreciate further from here. One can buy Ashok Leyland at its closing of around 93, stop loss of 91 and a target of 97.
My second call is a buy call in Reliance Capital. The stock is on the verge of a breakout of a falling trendline resistance which is placed around 410. Hence one should buy the stock at current levels with stop loss below 398 for target of 432 in near term.
Second stock for today is going to be on the sell side is Motherson Sumi. This stock has failed to fill the gap down opening which was seen on the 24th of June, and still it has been struggling to move higher. One can sell Motherson Sumi keeping a stop loss of 290 for the target level of 258.
I have a buy call on UPL. UPL has reflected near-term strength by closing above the 55-day moving average. It has given a high volume upward bar reversal on the daily chart. The mechanical indicators on the intraday charts have turned positive, have signaled a buy, indicating the stock's intention to appreciate further from here. One can buy UPL at its closing of around 554, stop loss of 550 and target of 562.
Okay, those are some trading ideas, but we're all interested in how to approach some of the big movers of yesterday and this last week. Deven Choksi of KR Choksi